One of the fears this winter is having an epidemic on top of a pandemic. The flu season is approaching and we're still battling the coronavirus pandemic. In times like this, it helps to look for a silver lining. In this case, Baptist Memorial's Dr. Steve Threkield said it may come with the upcoming flu season.
We see what happens, for example, now in the southern hemisphere. That's one of the ways that we predict what happens when it comes around to us again.
If places in the southern hemisphere like Australia and New Zealand are any indication,
they're seeing a dramatic decrease from what they have seen compared to last year.
How dramatic?
The numbers are down 60, 70, 80, in some places 90%. If you look at Australia, by the last 2 weeks of June, they normally last year would have had about 22,000 cases reported, and at last check it was 85.
One reason is because of the pandemic restrictions.
School closure, social distancing, masks, hand washing, those things are probably even more effective at preventing the flu, than they are preventing coronavirus.
But that doesn't mean we're in the clear.
These other countries we're looking at in the southern hemisphere have some advantages over us. Many of them have much more difficult international travel.
Not to mention, vaccinations are down and some schools are open.
Kids and school-age kids in particular are very important transmitters of the flu. And thankfully, we're like never before, at least on our guard.
Still,
there are some things that would certainly keep us from being overconfident. We tried overconfidence once with coronavirus and get us very far.
Dr. Threkield also emphasized the importance of a flu shot. It doesn't necessarily prevent the flu, but it does help prevent people from getting extremely sick or possibly dying. In Cordova, Brittany Moncrief, Local 24 News.